Hi everyone, it's unboxing time. So I got a gift from Purdy and Fig. So let's do the unboxing now. Oh, you see, I got one towel, Purdy and Fig, and I guess this is their new collection. Okay, let's keep this aside. What's in the box? A spray pass. Okay, I got direction to dia ase. Ki korbo kaise? Pour in 2 ml concentrate, fill with top water and gently shake. Okay. A2 lavender flavor hoy. So etia etu dhalim. Tar pisot 20 ml dhalibo kaise. Then uske baad I have to add water and then shake it and clean it. Let's do it together. Itu is it. Oh Baba. তুই মাংস কাটি আছা? ধাপ ধুপ আৱাজ আহি আছে ভিডিঅ'ত।
কি কোৱা?
এইটো বৰা এতিয়া। অ'কে, চ' ইয়াত কিবা মেজাৰমেণ্টৰ খেল আছে নেকি? It's nice. अभी क्या करना है? মই মনে কৰি আছো দেই, এইফালে মাংস ধাপ ধুপ আৱাজ শুনি আছো চাগে। ইয়াত পানী এড কৰি লওঁ, পানীটো ভৰাই লওঁ। চ' পানী ভৰালোঁ। Done. This is on. Okay, it got on and off button. All right. So let's try it now. What? Okay. It smells good. Oh, it's working. It's nice. Oh, nice. Oh, the smell is really good. Thank you so much for watching. That's all for today. If you like my video, do follow my Instagram handle and Facebook page, and of course do subscribe to my YouTube channel Mishka Sharma, and keep blessing me and keep supporting me and keep showering me lots and lots of love. Till then, stay happy and keep smiling. Bye bye.